morning, if you do have some McDonald's, let me have you.
Good morning, good morning. Please may I have a sausage and egg McMuffin meal with a cappuccino, thank you.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
No, I'm okay.
Great, we'll see you in a bit. Thank
You
you.
will, thank you. So it's a very good morning, folks. It says 8:28 on the clock, but I haven't changed yet. It's really 9:28, so I haven't been here for ages at McDonald's getting the sausage and egg McStuffin, as I call it, with a cappuccino to start the day. Well, folks, you find me, I'm sitting outside the bank. Hope people don't think I'm a beggar. Just said when the bank opens at 10 o'clock today, so it's about 10, it's 5 to maybe, so just going to wait for it to open its doors. But yeah, so hopefully I make 50p. Let me just put my mask down there, see if anybody gives me any money. Should want my ukulele down here and a wee strum. Now, we've got a challenge set by Frankie. Now, I did just text Frankie asking if he was free to drill me today. I need the button put on the thing, back of my ook for a strap to go on it, so Frankie can do that. I could probably do it myself. I've got a drill. I'm just, you know, it would break. I would do something wrong, man. So we've got a challenge. We've got to do a one-chord song. We saw Frankie's. That was quite good. He had some harmonies on it. So I've been working out a bit of something. So we'll see how it goes. Folks, so on the Sabbath you get a bad smell. I don't get any points for that, so still got to get off through. Now, is that a cult meeting of black Labradors or black dogs? Yes, it's a cult meeting, folks. That counts definitely. Crikey, get 3 points for that, for the cult meeting. Excellent. All right, goodness me, folks. Very windy down there on the beach, so we're doing the Cool Dudes Walking Club Spotters Handbook. See how many points we can get today. So I counted the Black Dog Walkers Club. I suppose there was like loads of them, so that could be a cult. So we've put that down as a cult meeting. We saw the sea and we got the shell. And what else did we get? We got the castle, of course. So that was a few points there. No points though for the walk club. So there's a bad smell. Got to mark that down. There's a bit of a pong down there. So, but nil point for that, but never mind. Excellent fun. So we got points for that litter. McDonald's. Good. My goodness me. That's so windy there. Right, so we got a bridge, obviously the Tay Bridge, we saw that. A sculpture and a sundial in Awana. That thing sitting on the, or the sculpture sitting on the edge of the pier there. So I gave myself points for that. What else do we get just along there? We've got McDonald's litter. So that was it for just now anyway. Excellent. Right, the time is now 10:30. Frankie's just texted me saying he's up for it. So will I go to Edsall or not? I don't know, man.